Hey, what's up you guys, it's Golden Arrogance and welcome back to another Fashion Friday. That's where I post beauty, fashion, tutorial type of content. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and click the subscribe button. You're gonna enjoy yourself. Today, we have this very colorful, very springtime, but it's not spring look. So I'm gonna show you how I got this look. This is the end result. Yes. What do we think of her? I think she's amazing, but you know, you'll be the judge of that. I just had a brain fart. I don't know what I was gonna say, so let's just get started. So first, I'm gonna start off by priming my face and then setting it with some loose setting powder. Then I'm gonna start to color correct under my eyes and around my mouth. I like to color correct under my eyes because sometimes my eyes look kind of baggy or kind of puffy under there, and I feel like whenever I color correct, it just makes it look better. Then I'm gonna go in with my foundation and then I'm gonna blend that out. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my concealer and I'm gonna start highlighting my face. All the products that I use are gonna be listed down below, so if you're wondering what I'm using on my face, I'm just gonna put them in the description box or the pinned comment. So now I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend all of that concealer out. When you're blending, just take your time, there's no rush. You'd rather take your time to blend it out and have it looking very smooth than rushing and then you didn't blend something out and now you walk around looking crazy. So right now I'm taking my Fenty stick and I'm going to contour. Like I mentioned before, all the products that I'm using, I'm gonna link them down below. This is how I like to contour my face. I like to contour my face like this because I feel like it just goes really well with my face shape. So I'm just taking the stick and rubbing it on my face. Right now I'm contouring my nose with the same Fenty stick. So I'm just gonna apply the product along my nose bridge and then I'll start blending it out. Now I'm just blending everything out. Like I said, take your time. There's no rush when you're blending your makeup. You don't want to walk around looking crazy, I'm telling you, because these people will not let you know. They will just let you walk around looking crazy. So just take your time and blend your makeup out so it looks very, very well. After I blended everything out, now I'm going to set my under eye and set all the places that I highlighted with. Now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild brush and wipe away the excess powder and just blend everything together. So now I'm going to take my Beauty Bakery blush. I'm going to be using it as eyeshadow. So I'm going to pat it on, pat. I'm going to pick up the product with my brush and then I'm going to place that on the middle of my eyelid. I don't know know why there was no audio for this part. I was clearly talking in this video. I don't know what happened to my audio, but yeah, so I'm just patting that on. Then I'm gonna take this very bright pink eyeshadow, pat that on my eyelid, and then blend it out with the orange eyeshadow. Like I said before, all the products that I use are gonna be linked down below. And I'm gonna repeat those steps on the opposite eye. Now I'm taking a shimmery pink color and I'm gonna use that on the inner corners of my lid. Now I'm gonna go in with this very neutral brown shade around the outer part of my eye to blend everything in. For my waterline, I'm going to be using that same pink shimmery color that I used in the inner corner of my eye. This color is from the Makeup Revolution palette. I'll leave the link down below. And of course, I'm going to repeat the same thing on the opposite eye. Now for my crease color, I'm going to be taking my Beauty Bakery bronzer and I'm going to be using that in the crease to blend everything together. Now I'm going to be adding some blush and I'm just going to blend out that blush with a different brush. The blush I'm using is from Black Radiance. I'll leave the link down below. I can't really remember the color offhand. Now I'm going to be taking my other brushes and just blending my makeup together just to make sure that everything's blended well, that it looks good. And then I'm going to be going in with my KVD eyeliner. Then I'm going to be putting some mascara on my natural lash before I put my false lashes on. Now for the lippy. So I'm going to be moisturizing my lip with this NARS lipstick. Then I'm going to outline my lips with a black pencil. And on top of that, I'm going to be using the Fenty Cream Gloss, the brown one. After blending that together, I'm just going to go in with some regular gloss on top just to make it shiny. Alright, so this is the final look.
Oh my god! Wow!
Thank you for watching my very easy, very beginner friendly makeup tutorial. This is the final look. Hopefully it looks good on camera because it looks really good in person, but I feel like my makeup never actually looks good on camera. So hopefully this should look good. Since you made it to the end of the video, go ahead and subscribe. You obviously enjoyed yourself. If you like this look, then give it a thumbs up and tell me how I did in the comments. Let me know. I think this looks amazing. It looks amazing in person at least. I was kind of having trouble with my lighting, so hopefully it looks just as amazing on camera, but let me know how I did in the comments.
About me. You can talk about shit